In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add product filters and sorting in Wix Stores. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website where you want to update your store. Once you are inside the dashboard, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Next, go to your category page. This is the page where your store products are displayed by category. Click anywhere inside the category page so Wix recognizes that you are editing that section. Then click Settings to open the category page settings panel. Inside the settings panel, select Filters. This is where you can choose which filtering options your customers will see while browsing your store. First, click Category to decide which product categories customers can filter by. This helps shoppers narrow down the products they want to see. After that, configure the price filter if you want customers to sort products based on a price range. This is useful for stores that offer products at different price points. Then move to Product Options. Here you can allow customers to filter products by specific options, such as size, color, or other available variations. This can make browsing much easier, especially if your catalog includes multiple versions of the same item. This option allows you to build your own custom product filter based on the product information you want customers to use. Once your filters are set up, click Sorting in the left side menu of the Settings panel. In this section, configure the sort by options you want to make available on your store page. For example, you can choose which sorting methods customers can use when viewing products. When that is done, click Display. Under What is displayed, make sure that both filters and sorting are enabled. This step is important because even if you configure them, they will not appear on the live page unless display settings are turned on. Now close the Settings panel and click Preview. Test the filters and the Sort By menu to make sure everything works the way you want. Check that customers can refine products correctly and that the sorting options appear as expected. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.